Light, the hardware startup known for its stripped-down, distraction-free mobile devices, has announced its next product, the Light Flip. The new device adopts the classic clamshell form factor while retaining the company's core philosophy of intentional, minimalist technology. The device features a 2.8-inch OLED display with a matte finish and a 480 by 640 resolution. It comes in 6 color options: black, navy, red, pink, yellow, and light gray. It also includes a lanyard loop for attaching accessories. For audio and charging, it has a 3.5mm headphone jack, stereo speakers, and a USB-C 2.0 port. The device is powered by a user-replaceable 1,800 mAh battery. It weighs 160 grams and carries an IP54 rating, meaning it can handle basic dust exposure and light splashes. Internally, the Light Flip runs on a MediaTek MT8873 octa-core processor, paired with 6GB LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB UFS 2.2 internal storage. It supports 5G networks, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.0. It also includes dual SIM functionality through a physical nano SIM slot and an eSIM. For photography, there is a 50-megapixel rear camera that captures 12-megapixel images, alongside an integrated flashlight. The phone operates on LightOS, a custom interface that excludes web browsers and social media. Instead, the software provides a specific set of utilities: an alarm, calculator, calendar, directory, directions, hotspot, music player, notes, podcast player, weather, a timer, and a 2FA authenticator. Communication relies on voice calls, audio messaging, and texting via predictive T9 or voice-to-text. Light has also introduced a developer program to allow community-built, open-source tools onto the operating system. The Light Flip is priced at $299 for an unlocked model. The company is also offering the device through its own service plans, starting at $39 per month on a 2-year contract for 1 GB of data and unlimited talk and text, or $69 per month for an unlimited plan. Pre-orders are currently open. The company says that shipping will occur in 4 batches, beginning in early April 2027.